So welcome today. How are you?
Fine, as usual.
That's great. So today we want to talk about Shani, Saturn, and as we know, there is upcoming Shani Jayanti.
Okay.
There's Shani Amavasya,
Mm.
and there's so many special occasions coming up. So
Mm.
we'd really like you to throw some light for our viewers, sir.
You must have seen my Saturn video. It was in three part and a very descriptive Saturn result I have given, and that is why Saturn is so pleased with me. So again, he has given me chance to speak about him. It's very
Yeah.
difficult to get a Saturn permission.
Very true. And we know that without Saturn, nothing can be done in this world.
Right, that's true. So what happens that whenever see Sunny Jayanti means its birthday falls every year. That's not usual. Everybody's birthday falls. Sunny Amavasya in 12 Amavasya, some of the time it is a by default come on the Saturday. So that you can say probably 50-50 chance may appear, may not appear. But this time that the Saturday, Sunny Amavasya and Sunny Jayanti, all three comes together. Although the Amavasya rest for the Sunday also, but Saturday main part is that the all three things has come together. So Shani is very powerful on that day, and those who want to please Saturn, that means Shani Baba is sitting now to give everything. Just please him. See, sometimes it is very difficult for the person to please the Saturn.
Okay.
But now is available in all three modes. So either mode, if you just please by see in the common people birthday, you just give them a gift. So they please, they give you thank card and this. Sunny Amavasya, see now Saturn, one has to take out fear from the Saturn. As my in video I said, Shani is a surety. So if the people want a surety, then this Saturday when Sunny Amavasya is there, people has to utilize this. Shani is not a bad person. He only wants something to be performed against whatever you are claiming. It's the only thing as I described in the Saturn video. He want any surety that you do for something, then I will give.
Whereas the other planets will give you whether you do or you don't.
Yeah, and they will take away also.
Correct.
Saturn only the planet which once gives, no, it will never take away.
Okay.
So that is a Saturn because he has given life. He has
Very
given
true.
the life. So and Kalpurusha also 10th house and 11th house. So every day you have to perform, even though you are a housewife or the people who are not working, they are still working something, performing something, daily
Correct.
routines. So that is Saturn. In my one of video or I don't know, the people everyday schedule are changed when that Saturn is placed in the 11th house, second house, and 5th house. My Saturn also within this. So every day my schedule change. Whenever the people say, "Now tomorrow are you available?" I say, "I am available today. I don't know about
Don't know.
tomorrow."
Very
So
true.
whose Saturn will be there in the Kendra from 8th house? See, 8th house is a very good house. People why fear with that house death? Or it's not that. It's a life.
Yeah.
So your routine life, today's life, you wake up at this time, you're fresh, then you taken breakfast, then you move to your work, then you completed work, come back home. This is a routine. This routine has scheduled by Saturn. So
Right.
who Saturn has placed in the 11th house, second house, and 5th house is a Kendra from 8th house. So their routine is daily fixed. Because Kendra is a Kayami, continuous.
Correct.
So it
Continuous.
always gives. But who Saturn plays 6, 8, and 12 from the 8th house, no, they will never fix it their schedule.
What if Saturn is placed in the eighth house?
Yeah, 8th house is a Karak Bhavana. So they make schedule for others, not for own. So that is Saturn. Now we'll talk something about Amavasya. See, Amavasya, that is in English it is called no moon day.
No.
The name itself says that there is no moon.
Correct.
So only the sun has a power. Sun has a say. See, there was no moon, but moon goes behind the earth, so it cannot be visible. So see, these two are the force. Sun is being your soul, and moon being is your mind. Or mood.
Yeah.
So soul is a car which is whose driver is a moon.
Right.
So at that time moon is absent, so driver is not available. So whatever
And the driver
things-
doesn't know where to
yeah.
go.
So and the person doesn't know where to go. So now
Correct.
his traveling will start. So that is why Amavasya is a very powerful day where you never incline only any feelings because there is no moon.
Correct.
See, all the rishis, all these pandit, all the asur, all people always pray on the Amavasya. So Amavasya there is no moon, so people, and we also celebrate Diwali and there is a Amavasya. Because that day there is no moon, your feeling doesn't come out.
Yeah.
So what happened? Your soul free. So soul free on Amavasya, and now it is a Saturn. So now this is a day when father and son has to meet. So one has to
And
very
they are
please-
opposite each other.
Yeah, opposite to each other. See, this is a time at the evening. Evening time also Amavasya was there in this
Yeah.
Saturday where this sunny Amavasya is falling. So evening time where sun is about to leave and his son is about to come.
Come out.
That is called a Sandhya.
Correct.
So we have talked about the Abhichit Murat. Now I am talking about the second Murat, that's the Sandhya Kal. See, all the Brahmins in the evening time they do the Sandhya. It's a
Correct.
very compulsory thing that was there in the Brahmins. Because Sandhya is a time where you have to leave the sun and welcome the night or
Right.
this
Moon.
So that is a time. So that is also in Hindus it is called Gaudulik Kal. Yeah,
Right.
Goraj time. Goraj means go, means cow. When cow comes back,
Yeah.
the dust comes out.
Yeah.
So that's that period. It is exactly 6 minutes before sunset and 6 minutes after the sunset. So that's 12 minutes period. In this sunny Amavasya, if you pray anything, your soul and your deeds both are standing together.
Wow, that's a big secret, sir.
Yeah. So as the people, I believe so many have given me feedback about the Abhichit Murat. Their work
Yes.
has done with the 4 days and 8 days.
Yes.
Somebody has started a new business and we must charge the royalty from them. So this is also one type of a thing where father is also about to leave with the discipline and son
son.
is also standing. See, both are waiting for their time, one for exit and one for entry. So this is a Godolika or the Goraj period whereby it's just a 6 minutes before sunset and after 6 minutes. This is a time. See here, you don't have to stand on the
Outside and the
outside
sun,
and
yeah.
sun. But yeah, if you are lucky and you're able to see the sun set, because
Yeah.
it's just on the Kshitij, what do you call the Kshitij?
Horizon.
Horizon or equator.
Yeah.
Horizon.
Yeah.
So it's on the horizon. See what you'll see, that sun is about to leave and the cloud will comes, the
Correct.
black cloud. This 12 minutes is a very important whereby your soul and your deeds both are stand together.
So should you see the sun at that time, or should you sit in Sandhya?
No,
Should
no.
you meditate?
If you are able to see the sun from your any window or
Yeah.
your door or anything, it's good. Or otherwise, just see the west. See, west is a very powerful direction for Saturn. Saturn is very powerful because sun get down,
Correct.
sunset on the west. So Saturn gets the power in the west. So if you able to face the west direction, see where the sun is setting and the darkness and clouds are coming. Just wait for the exact sunset. See, people have to see their own location sunset.
Yeah.
And just a 6 minute before and 6 minutes after. So that is a Shani Amavasya. So that's a Saturn, that's a Amavasya. And one more thing is a Shani Jayanti. That's a day
Correct,
where Shani
birthday.
born. And you might have heard so many story about the Saturn birth and everything. You
Should I
have?
tell the story?
Oh, yeah, then definitely. Yeah.
So, sir, sun was, sun is of course the god of all the planets,
Mm.
and he had a wife. Her name was Sandhya.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Now, Sandhya is also in Hindi.
Mm.
In English, it is called evening.
Okay.
So every time she wanted to go and be with sun, she could not be with him because every time she came near sun, she had to go
Sunset.
away.
Okay.
Sunset.
Oh,
So Sandhya, either sun will be there or Sandhya will be there.
Ah.
Both cannot be there together.
Oh.
So she's very, very lonely without him.
Okay.
And in that
okay.
depression,
Ah.
she wants to go back to her mother's house.
Mm-hmm.
And what she has done is she has created her own replica, which
I mean,
is
a clone means
clone,
today's word
clone,
is a clone.
absolutely. Clone.
Oh, okay.
And her name is called Chaya.
Okay, shadow.
Shadow. Chaya
okay.
is shadow in English.
Oh.
And she has gone back to her mother's house.
Mhm,
And
mhm.
Shani Dev is
Mhm.
the son of Chaya.
Okay.
Because Chaya could be with Sun, although he could never see her, but she could still be with him.
See, the sunny slope itself says Nilanjanam Samabhasam, means who look like a blue. Nilanjanam Samabhasam, Ravi Putram यमाग्रजम, जो रवि का पुत्र है, और
पुत्र है।
यम भी रवि का, सूर्य का ही पुत्र
सूर्य का
है,
ही पुत्र
but they both have doesn't have a good say,
Yeah.
being who will become
Yeah,
king.
yeah.
छाया मार्तन शंभुतम, जो छाया का पुत्र है,
पुत्र है।
छाया मार्तन शंभुतम तम नमामि शनि,
Correct.
वो शनि को इट्स अ वेरी गुड श्लोक. Oh, अच्छा. And but in the
So should you be reciting this shloka?
yeah, see, this is all the praising.
Hmm.
See, somebody, if some student will say, sir, you are very learned person, you know so many things, I might be pleased, and if my nature permit, oh yeah, good. But if I don't, then it might be a risk. But if
Yeah.
you make with the Bij mantra, he has to come out. So one has to always chant the Bij mantra, Om Sam Shanischaraय Namah.
Namah.
That Shani, you just see, whatever the my just first name, the, if somebody start with the I will able to lead that somebody is
Correct,
calling me.
calling
No?
you,
So
yes.
that's the Bij. That's the Bij mantra. So Shani is a Sham, Sa Bindi, Sham Shanischaraय Namah. That Shani who's slowly moving. So this Shani Amavasya is a great day.
So you were saying something about tantric.
Yeah, so all the tantric always use the Bij mantra. So by Bij mantra, no, see, Bij once you put, no, it has to
Has to
grow.
come out.
It has to come out. So praising, maybe, see, nowadays people are so intelligent, so learned, they don't go in the praise. Praising.
Yeah.
They say, why don't you making muska oil
Shortcuts.
and this? So no, they always see that if you able to impress me, impress with the work. So Saturn
Correct.
always impress with the work.
Absolutely.
See, whole day I don't say that you do this please Saturn read all the stotra, but Sunny doesn't like to waste your time. So don't waste your time. See, one of my client asked me, sir, I'm so poor, I can't feed the beggars. No, no, okay, you show the way, no? If in the road somebody asks where this address is,
Correct.
you show him. This is
Very
this.
true.
That is service.
Absolutely.
That is also service. That is without investment. You don't have to put any money. People sometime in the joke also they give the wrong direction.
I know.
Go this
Oh
side.
my God.
They will go that side and come back.
So it's
a
the
very
truth of
bad-
India.
No, it's. I have never experienced with the foreigner, but they might also be. So what happens that these are the qualities which Saturn likes. Just help others. And to Saturn the please, again one more secret. To Saturn the please the Saturn, no, never directly go to Saturn. Go via media. See, directly you can approach, but there's a risk whether he will impress or not. But he is always impressed with the Venus. It's a very good secret.
Yeah.
And if you please the Venus, no, Venus is a very good and close friend of Saturn because
Correct.
Sukh and Dukh, pleasure and sorrow. They always
Saath,
with the
saath,
they
yeah.
always with the one coin two
Correct.
sides, pleasure
Very
and
true,
sorrow.
very true.
Either you'll be in the pleasure or you'll be in sorrow.
Correct.
There's no midway.
Yeah.
So they
Then
are a
that's
part of
meaningless,
one
yeah.
life,
Correct.
part of the two side of the one life. So go by the Venus. So after saying, see, I have done this for pleasing.
Mehendi.
Yeah, that Venus. See, this is a Venus. When
Correct.
female put the mehendi, no,
Ah.
they put here and with this at the time of marriage, because at the time of marriage they have to please,
Please Venus.
Venus.
Correct.
The karma, whatever we say,
Very
the
true.
karma.
Henna.
And also
Mehendi is henna in English.
Henna is a very good thing because it absorbs your heat. That's the Venus. And by absorbing all your toxics and heats, it will impress the Saturn. That's a good things about the
So,
Saturn.
sir, on this Saturday, should we be putting henna in our hands?
Friday.
Friday, Venus
Friday
Day.
you keep and
Okay.
Saturday all your heat will become. I say one has to clean its clutters. It's the best day to
Correct.
clean clutters. Saturday. You don't donate so many things to the needy and poor people. At least you remove the unwanted
Yeah.
things. That's also one
And
type of
keep your
thing.
schedule.
Yeah, keep your everything in the schedule. See, Shani Amavasya being a second birthday, give him a gift which you have never done.
Yeah.
See, many people like to do something in their life. I want to reduce my wealth,
Increase,
health, increase my health, reduce my weight, want to purchase this, want to, so many wants, no? See, wants is Mars and doing thing is the Saturn, actuality, actual and thoughts. So those who are not able to do anything,
Yeah.
do that impossible work on that Saturday. Many
Correct.
things you will find that I will not able to do that.
Yeah.
Do that thing on that because Muhurta says beginning. Just
Yeah.
start, no.
Correct.
See, you are starting. It is always said in the Muhurta that don't start any work from Saturday. Why they say? Because you want easy result. But if you
Yeah.
start anything on the Saturday, no.
So it's difficult result.
No, it will be certain.
Oh, certain result.
Reason will be
Okay.
certain. But what happens?
But
You have to put
work.
more efforts.
Absolutely. It's
People
difficult
don't
to
want to
achieve,
put
yeah.
effort. That is why they start on the other day,
Mm.
not on the Saturday. But what happens if you start anything on a Saturday? It has to come to the end. Some end has to be come.
Okay.
Because Saturn is a life. Saturn is the end.
Correct.
That
And
is
he's
also
a judge,
Saturn.
so he's going
Yeah.
to give it to you
It
finally.
will give you. In the tarot card, there is a card of judgment. There is a very
Right.
good card, judgment. That is
Yeah.
a Saturn. And there is also one card called death.
Yes.
People always scare when death card comes.
Correct.
That
Yeah.
means all your
Mm.
negativity is now going to end.
Going, yeah.
So this Sunny Amavasya, I always gives my viewers to just do clean your clutters. Give so many things which is not usable to you.
Yeah.
Not you have consumed since so
Yeah.
many years, your clothes, but don't give some as a that with proud or see people say no, take this. No, give with the please that please use this.
Sir, and also whenever we are giving, we don't have to inform 10 people that we are giving. Do
That
it
is
quietly.
also secret. That's also secretively you have to give so that
Yeah.
it will be written somewhere in the deeds, but it has not come out.
Gumnam, Gumnam कहते हैं ना
Yeah,
उसे?
it is called that Gupta Dan.
Gupta Dan,
The Dan
yes.
DJ, so the people will not able to
Correct.
know. So this Sunny Amavasya, please Saturn with the Saturn own taste. See,
Yeah.
suppose you like a chocolate cake, and in your birthday somebody bring the strawberry, you will not able to eat. You'll
Can't
say,
enjoy it.
okay, you'll just on the face you say, oh, thank you very much, I
Yeah.
like this, and you'll keep away.
Yeah,
And you'll never turn to that.
correct.
The Saturn also, see, Saturn like dislike is very firm. All the Capricorn and Aquarius ascendant, moon, they all have their like dislike form.
Very firm, yes.
You'll see you'll from the crowd you can make out this is Capricorn and this is Aquarius. They will always stand like this because Saturn never share. Saturn
Yeah.
is a see whenever people stand like this now, that means they don't want to share. They don't want you to enter in that this. Whenever you are talking with someone, no,
Right.
if somebody put hand here, there is okay.
Yeah.
But if he then oh, acha, okay.
And they
that
want to
means-
know all your secrets.
they'll know everything, but they will
Yeah.
not reveal their secret. So that's the Saturn. So Saturn, very hidden, very depth. One more thing in the Sandhya, as you said that we have to face the sun or not.
Yeah.
But I will tell you this: do the Saturn is a Sunya. It's a darkness.
Yeah, correct.
And our Krishna always said that Sunya se Sarjan. Our Krishna and our Hindu mythology. See, Hindus are the Indians people are the who have searched the zero, no?
Correct, absolutely.
Which adds
yeah,
the value.
Very true, very.
Whoever-
Infinite and zero. yeah.
Infinite in the zero. So Sunya, see that's a Sunya.
Correct.
So all the you will find all gods. See when people see no Krishna is that it's not the Basuri, he is in the
He's
Shunya
the
Mudra.
Oh,
He's
Shunya
completing
Mudra.
his Shunya Mudra. See
Very
whatever
true.
the feather he has that no a peacock feather, it's
It's a
also
Shunya,
Shunya.
correct.
That is also feather is like this.
Yeah.
Shunya. So this Shunya is all the gods, all the rishi whenever they sit in the
Sitting,
yoga,
yeah, correct.
they put this Shunya. See your thumb. Your thumb is a very powerful. It's a unique identification.
Correct.
That is why that is a
Thumb imprint, yeah.
Thumb print is a see. Thumb is nothing but the nature. It's a call of nature. There are thousands and crores of people, but no match found.
Correct.
Police also in
That's
investigation
your
is the
identity.
identity. So this is nature. See, whenever you have to give someone best luck, what you'll show.
Oh, best of luck.
Oh, that means go to nature.
Correct.
And in the another way, if you don't want to give anything, you'll say Anguta, Aisa.
Or Aisa.
Aisa. So both the way, if somebody shows you like this or like this, that means
correct.
I can't
Very
help you.
true.
You go to nature. So
Correct.
this is a nature, and this is your scanner. See, this is Jupiter. This a finger is
Yeah,
a Jupiter.
correct. It is a Jupiter
Yeah.
finger.
So this is your scanner. See, this small is your scanner. See, now
Scanner,
scanner
yeah.
has searched now, but this is your scanner.
Scanner is in Google.
Yeah, this is your own scanner. So what happens
Right.
at the time of reading when the kids were small? How you will teach them? Say read this by
yeah.
putting hands.
Correct.
This is the
yeah, you
scanner.
never use any other finger.
Oh.
You only use this finger.
And see all the brain lipi is also only readable by this finger. You can't read
Very
from
true.
this and this. You're not able to
Correct,
because
you
this
can't.
is a Gyan Tantu.
Yeah.
Gyan Tantu. Grey matter. What do you
Yeah.
say? So from here that's all
Gyan
veins.
is knowledge.
All veins directly linked to
Connected
this.
to the brain.
So what happened if you join these two? The universal power is joined with your own scanner. So now it's searching all these things from the original Google.
So I want to tell you that do this when you're doing
Yeah.
the Sandhya.
Just sit
and
like
even
this.
Abhijit Murat, right? So
Like just keep your eyes closed. See why to close eye? Because that is a Saturn mudra and the car darkness.
Okay.
So close here because and
We
outside
should not
environment
see
is
the
also dark.
disturbance, yes.
So just close your eyes and put these two. At least not right then left perfect because left is always a nature. See left hand you never use. Foreigners
Right,
may
yeah.
maybe
Yeah.
use left hand, but in Indian
India we
mythology
don't,
left
yeah.
you never use because it's a
Yeah.
nature call. You only do the things of nature.
Yeah.
Nature whenever gives no, all your vital organ is also not in the
On
left
the
side.
side, correct.
Or the
correct.
kidneys and
Yeah.
all this vital. And
Yeah.
during this paralytic attack, only
Left side goes, yeah.
because it's the nature.
Correct.
Shiva Parvati, that's a Ardhangini, that is a left.
Also on the left, yeah.
Left.
Right.
So left is very powerful. At least keep in left. And in right, if you want to do the mala,
The
it's
jump,
okay.
huh.
But just sit idly for a 5 to 6 minutes. Make up that 5 to 6 minutes. You should just so you don't even have to pray. You don't have to even
Correct.
demand because
Clear the mind.
your thing has attached with the nature supercomputer. So all data are transforming. Now
Transmitting and transforming.
and whatever your thoughts goes, the reply also comes.
Correct.
Communication is there.
Uttar.
Just sit idly
Yeah.
and face the sun or face the west direction and close your eyes. That's the best
Yeah.
remedies. Then in the Saturn you'll be.
So
able
very
to do.
quickly, this is also the Vaishak Amavasya because it's going to be the longest night
Yeah, Vaishak.
in the shortest.
Yeah, because after this now the next Hindu month is called Jyeshta. Jyeshta means a big.
Big,
So
yeah.
big month starting is Vaisakhi Amavasya. In South it is a very important. They
Yeah.
believe in the Murat called Ganishta Navak or Vasu
Correct.
Navada Mada Panchak. Vasu Navak Mada Panchak is the unauspicious day. This Vaisakhi Amavasya is also a Kari Din. See, there are 5 days which are called auspicious. That the Grahan when the eclipse,
Yeah.
Grahan, then Holi where the burning of holy
holy
fire is holy. Then the day where the Pritatma is burned in Hindu mythology,
Yeah.
Vaisakhi Amavasya and Sankranti. These 5 days and Sankranti. These 5 days and the next day you should not do anything. It's a Kari din. Kari means it's a dry day where
Yeah.
you should not do things.
Yeah.
So in this Vaisakhi Amavasya it's also one of the Kari din. So that day don't do any new thing. Just
Yeah.
do
Be inside
give
within
away all
yourself.
the old
Yeah.
things and wait for the new things to come.
Correct.
Even your thoughts also you can throw out by
Okay.
sitting this. So that's a Kari din. Vaisakhi Amavasya. See, these 3 months are very short nights
Correct.
because in the Chaitra, Vaisakh and Jyeshta, these 3 months, your day span longs and your night, especially the topological of the Indians.
India, yeah.
So that the night will come. So this is a longest night days. It is called Amavasya. So that day long Amavasya is there. It is start from every day, every place it is different. But in India, somewhere in the 10 o'clock onward Saturday it has start,
Yeah.
and in the Sunday somewhere in the morning it lasts. So. But evening time, what I have specified, it's remain
The same.
everywhere the same. So
Yeah.
that Sunny Amavasya, just sit idly, just donate whatever the things you can able to do, and please the Saturn. See,
Yeah.
Saturn can be only pleased by its own nature.
Correct.
What he likes, he will please. He will not please by the anything you offer.
Yeah.
So it's not a god. See, people always forget about the god and Saturn. Gods are that whatever you give them, they will accept. But
Correct.
Saturn is a like dislike very firm.
Yeah.
He will only accept certain things which he likes.
Right.
Otherwise, he will not like. And majority he likes the things which ordinary no god likes.
Nobody likes. Very true.
So it's Saturn and Sunny Amavasya. Do keep this.
Done.
So people in the West, I said they cross the finger. Why to cross the finger? Do this. no?
Yeah, do Shunya Mudra.
For wish,
Very
they say
true.
cross the finger. Are
Yeah,
why
yeah,
you are
yeah.
overlapping Saturn
Yeah.
on the Jupiter? How to cross?
Yes.
There is no you'll
Very true.
able to achieve.
Achieve.
During when I was driving the 2-wheeler, no scooter, I always do that.
Okay. Yeah.
So
yeah.
never traffic police or they harass. Not a secret. So that is a Sunny Amavasya. One has to do very carefully. And see, many people also complain that it doesn't work, it doesn't happen. See, your deeds are so much.
Very true.
How you can change take change in the first moment, first instant. Just start, no.
And most important is that we must do the deeds first to please Him.
Yeah.
While sitting idle, not doing anything, and they'll say, "Oh, we are praying,
Nothing
we are
working,
doing
nothing
Shunya
working.
Mudra, we are looking, we are doing the
Big
Sandhya
working,
and
yes.
everything, but we are not doing anything."
Nee, but one has to positive. So that's a very auspicious times. Every year, Sani Amavasya, Sani Jayanti, everything comes. So it's a time where you can start pleasing the Saturn,
Yes.
and you can't escape from the Saturn chaya.
Of
Just
course,
mother.
absolutely.
So
the
you
mother,
can't
yeah.
come out from the Shani
Very
soul.
true.
So that's
Okay.
things one has to do.